In this video, we're going to talk about something the solar salesman won't tell you about before you buy. The secret that shouldn't really be a secret is that solar cells in a solar panel are covered in a special kind of glass, and glass gets dirty when it's outside. Do you see where we're going here? I'm constantly amazed at how filthy the solar panels are in my neighborhood and around town. I walk almost every morning for exercise and I see the same few dozen houses with panels near me, and I've never seen them be cleaned. And just like the windows in your house, when they get dirty, it's harder to see out of them. So that also means it's harder for light to get in, and thus the solar panel won't produce as much power. Now you may not think that that's a big deal, but I've tested this a million times in the past and shown it in some of my previous videos. But let's go ahead and do it again. This solar panel on the back of my truck has only been installed for a few months, so it isn't anywhere near as dirty as the panels on those rooftops I just showed you. But it's definitely dirty enough to lose some power, so we'll do a before and after comparison here to illustrate the point. I'm not trying to demonstrate the proper way to clean panels, so we'll just speed this up a little bit. Before wiping the panel clean, the panel was producing 118 watts. Afterward, it produced 124 watts. Now, that may not seem like a lot. It's about 5%. But I've tested this on dirtier panels before and got almost 20% extra power. So there are degrees of dirty here. Now, how many times should you clean your panels every year? That depends on where you live. But if you aren't cleaning them at least once a year, regardless of where you live, you're doing it wrong. And it's easy to do it yourself if you have a ladder, a hose, and a rag. Or you can pay someone to do it for you if you aren't physically able to or you're afraid of heights. Either way, the point is that if you're not cleaning your panels, you're losing power. And on an $80,000 rooftop system, that could mean you're wasting between $4,000 and $16,000 of that investment. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and a comment below.